So if we think of the core relationship as if the end goal of the platform is to decide the 10 projects that the city of Amsterdam or the country of Colombia needs in the next year, the producer is anybody who has a potential project to invest in and who can bring in the resources to run a project. Now what you need to think of in terms of the consumer is, since the goal of this platform is largely selection of these projects, right? And the moment it becomes selection, the moment it's about a yes versus a no and upvote versus a downvote, what's most important is that you reduce the complexity of deciding whether it's a good project or not. You reduce the sampling time. So what I would think of in terms of the value unit is, what are 3 or 4 key things that a resident needs to understand? What are the 3 or 4 most important things a resident is interested in a particular country? And just ask the producer, the project creator, to answer how their project addresses those 3 or 4 concerns and put that out there. Because that's all the information the consumer, who's a resident, needs to decide whether they want that project or not. So instead of having a 200-page tender about what they're going to do and how they're going to change the world, it's just these specific things. And based on that, you create something like a Reddit, where the best things go to the top, the best things then get consumed by the government, and projects get commissioned.